We found a cabin in the middle of the woods. So we have like 10 minutes left before the boat leaves. 9 minutes left before the boat leaves. Today is a great morning. It's much warmer than it has been for any of the other mornings, which I'm really excited about. Our packs, I finally got my pack to fit my sleeping bag as well. The packs are lighter than they've ever been. Got a nice early start. I can't wait to see what the day holds.
That cliff right there was our campsite last night.
I think we might have just found the highest incline on this entire trail.
Yep. My hands are so swollen. It hurts to like clench.
Flow.
Like, look at that. So I'm just gonna be in surrender position for a while. Hopefully they calm down. West Overlook. Ooh. There's an island.
So Echo Lake is right here on the map, and this is how big it is in real life. I think we were right over there a couple of days ago. We found a cabin in the middle of the woods. This one appears to be roped off. A lot of the beach areas kind of have been on this trip. The water has been awfully high this year, just across the board in Michigan.
We just stopped at a cabin, and it's really luxurious. They even have a grill. They have a grill and some twin beds on bunks, and a picnic table, and an outhouse, which I am going to take full advantage of. This is the most beautiful outhouse I've ever seen. Toilet paper. We're here at Waterfall Beach. I'm gonna go down and check it out. Ow. Ugh. Which one is that? That's Wood?
That's Wood.
Wood Island and Williams Island, somewhere over there. I don't see a waterfall.
We have to walk.
There was one. I've seen it on other people's videos. I don't see a waterfall on this end.
There's no waterfalls.
Just a bunch of driftwood.
So we're just now leaving Waterfall Beach. I think there's only 3 miles left on our journey at this point. How do you feel?
I'm excited to get back to real life. Well, kind of. I'm excited to get back to our car.
Yeah, I mean, this vlog isn't over yet just because we're done here.
No.
We have more adventures to go on yet. But yeah, I'm feeling quite accomplished at this point so far. We pushed ourselves outside of our comfort zones, and I kind of like it. I would do it again. No more boiling water for the Foleys. We has a spigot. Oh. Yay.
I'm thirsty.
We're picking up the pace here. It's the last mile. We only have about half an hour until the boat leaves. So we're trying to make it there with enough time so that we don't have to wait a whole nother hour. We have like 10 minutes left before the boat leaves. 9 minutes left before the boat leaves. And we have to make it there, otherwise we're gonna be stuck.
For another hour.
For another hour.
Ow.
And we don't know how much further it is. Oh,
there
wait, what's that? Is that it? Is that the water?
I think so.
Did we make it?
Yeah, right there. It's right there.
I think we made it. We made it.
Okay, let's go.
We made it.
Going to stop in Escanaba to get some burgers, maybe?
Burgers.
No, you want burgers.
I want a burger.
And it's raining out, so I'm glad we missed that. That's awesome. And then we're gonna probably stop and get some food and then head to Connie's. You know you're in a small town when you only have a fire code. There's no address. And you drive through someone else's property to get to yours. He's got a dump truck. He's got a tractor.
I don't know when he got that
He's got like 4 trucks. Oh my god. That thing's massive. Backhoe.
Some golf cart. Got some golf. Oh, look at that thing.
Oh my gosh.
That's amazing.
Is it recording? Yeah. How do you feel, Brad?
Feel sore.
Ow. I feel like I broke my leg. Like I'm limping like a stroke. Oh, this hurts so bad.